Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, standing in the MarineMax Clearwater parts department where they're going to sell much more than boat parts. They're going to sell accessories for lifestyles on the water. One of the biggest accessories that there are is going to be your polarized sunglasses. And at first glance it's like, wow, look at all these sunglasses, but you look a little bit closer, you notice that there's differences on all of them. So exactly what frame to choose is going to be a big factor with exactly what you're going to be using the sunglasses for. You notice on top of my head right now, you see us at the Costa del Mar display. I've got a blue mirror pair of glass lenses on. Your blue mirrors are going to be more for your high light, deep water, offshore conditions, going to cut out most of that glare, as we know that's not always the case. There's a neat little chart here from Costa that's going to tell you exactly what's going to do what. All the way from your blue mirror from your brightest lights, moving down to your amber lenses, your coppers, your green mirrors, which might be for fishing the flats or some moderate conditions, all the way down to low light, which is going to be your sunrise silver mirror. And I have multiple pairs. I keep a pair of amber lenses on me all the time. I keep a pair of blue lenses on me all the time. In Florida, the sun's usually shining pretty bright, so it's really gonna change every single day. And of course, you're gonna have glass lenses and plastic lenses. Your glass lenses are gonna be probably a little bit more expensive. They're definitely more heavy, and they're gonna not scratch as much as your plastic lenses. On the flip side of the coin, your plastic lenses, they're gonna be lighter, they're not gonna be as expensive, and kind of one of those pairs that you can just throw in your truck and use them as a backup if you want. I'm a big Costa guy. I have a huge Costa collection, hard to beat. But I'd say in the top two, there's another brand. If you know sunglasses, you've heard of this one over here. Let's talk about Maui Jims for a second. Maui Jims are one of the most recognized brands of sunglasses, and what they're really known for is their amber lenses. So you heard us talk about those low light conditions before. You really can't beat a Maui pair, and of course they're cool. We've got red lenses and stuff like that as well. No matter what you're doing, you're out on the water, you need a good pair of shades, and it's one of those things you really don't realize until you forget them at home and you're out on the boat. Nothing's more miserable than your eyes straining all day. So just as important, get the right pair of shades for every situation. Come on down to MarineMax in the parts department. We'll walk you through the whole display, try them on, see what looks good. Thank you for joining us once again, and until next time, we'll see you on the water.